Good afternoon, my people all over the world. What is happening in Nigeria today is becoming unbearable, my brothers and sisters all over the world. If the leader of South-South, Southeast, Southwest refuse to do something, let the citizens of this region, South-South, go after their leaders. You see what the Fulani herdsmen, the Fulanis, did in Lasu University today in Lagos? How can you go and attack people in the school, destroy their cars, their vehicles? Can the leaders of the South-South, Southeast open eye to see the fire that is about to consume them? As they are running up and down looking for 2023 that will kill their head? Fulani herdsmen attack the governor of Imo State when they asked them to leave the place they are before. They started shooting people with AK-47. Till now, no arrests have been made in that place. Soldiers are there in Lasu. Fulani people are killing, destroying cars. No arrests have been made. But if it is the Eastern Security Network or Sunday Igboho group, army will go after them, police will go after them, DSS will go after them, and our leader from the Southeast, the senator, the House of Rep, the ministers, the governors, the local government chairmen, you guys are folding hands? Since decades of years, Fulani herdsmen have been committing atrocity, abomination in your land. Killing of people, raping women, burning down people's farm and their crops. Nothing has been done about it, my people. Today, Fulani herdsmen have taken their fight to the University of Lasu. If those leaders refuse to do something, the citizens should go after them. Any senator from your constituency, from your community, make sure their house is being burned down, because enough is enough. Enough is enough for all this what? Nonsense. We don't have Fulanis in Nigeria. If you are a Fulani person, you are in Nigeria, you are a stranger. It's just that you people have what? Silenced the voice of the Hausa we have in Nigeria. We have Hausa TV in Nigeria. We don't have Fulani community. We don't have Fulanis in Nigeria. You people kill the Christian community and take over that community and say you are part of Nigeria. The same way you take over the Hausa land, the same way you want to take over the South-South, the Southeast, the Southwest, and the Middle Belt now. And the leaders that are supposed to speak are looking you people because of their what? The power they are looking for, the position they are looking for. One Nigerian is dead, one Nigerian is over. If you are a youth, if you are somebody that needs a peaceful life, a glorious life for your unborn children, stand for the divination of Nigeria. Enough is enough for this evil that the Northerners have been what? Committing in that nation called Nigeria. God is Zamfara belong to the Northerners, but Oye in the South belong to what? To the federal government of Nigeria. What oppression, what intimidation, what evil. God will punish all of you one by one. You went and killed in Koso the ESM commander for no reason. What offense that guy committed? For protecting his land, for protecting his people, not be raped by the Fulani herdsmen, for protecting the people, not be killed by the Fulani herdsmen, because you people want to Islamize Nigeria. Boko Haram have taken over Niger now, in Niger State now. Where is the army? Where is the DSS? Where is the police? You guys are busy killing people in the southeast. All of you will die one by one. From Buhari to the what? To the local government chairman that is supporting this evil. All of you will die one by one. Fulani herdsmen have been killing people, killing women in the farm, killing children. Nobody have done something about it. No DSS have made the arrest of Fulani herdsmen. You people will never have peace. Delta, Benin, Port Harcourt, you people should come out for divination of Nigeria. Bayelsa, you people should come out for the divination of Nigeria. Nigeria don't need to be together. We don't need to be together. The Northerners should go their way. They have afflicted us with a lot of pain. Enough. Enough is enough. They went and killed Koso. Now, Lasso University. Destroying cars there. And the Yoruba youth are there looking at them, say, hey, there are army, there are army. Shame on you people. Some of you to bring things out and level them. Let that news carry it that this happened in Nigeria because the Fulani herdsmen and the Boko Haram bandits have been killing in Nigeria. No international community have asked them question. They wipe away a whole Christian community in Borno State, Fulani herdsmen. They killed the whole community, Christian community in Borno State. Christian community in Benue State, they are succeeded wipe them to half. No international community have come to ask that question. That those men are terrorists. That those men are the killer, are the terrorists. Evil government. All of you will die one by one. It could so that you people killed. Any policeman in the southeast should go down. Any army should go down. Any DSS, you know that person as DSS. Take the information to the necessary people. Let them bring them down one by one. It's not something that they will rush. DSS must go down. God punish you people. Thank you, my brothers and sisters. I just come and make this video.